goes for a change up. We'll start talking about what I'm seeing as I go through it. There's no point showing you guys, like 2 females maybe, what I'm going through, like what I'm doing. I've shown it in multiple episodes. It's just, let's see what the mystery is. The mystery of this quarter panel is there's rust on it. I didn't think there was rust on it, but there's rust starting to kind of crumple out. After I dug down in through the little bit of Bondo that I got into in the lower part, it looks like the lower body line is messed up way worse than I thought. It looks like they try to fix it and reshape it with Bondo, which is a no-go for me. I at least want the majority of it there, like within 1/16 of an inch is what I'm trying to play on this car. I may not hit it in some areas, but on a body line, I don't want someone to go by and bump it with their leg, or bump it with a cone or something, smack the crap out of it with a cone at 50 miles an hour, and that impact cause it to break loose. So like, no. That door's soaking, quarter is soaking. This, for some reason, the paint's like really goodly, like stupidly adhered right here. All this other paint's flaking off real good, door's coming off real good. So, I don't know. Beats me. We'll see what it looks like on the next layer. Okay, after 4 pounds of Bondo being removed, you can see just how bad this door is. It should be fixable. It's going to be really fun. May end up chunking this whole door or patching good amounts of sections in, but you can see, let's see, made an attempt maybe to pull it, and then ended up just tearing up the metal because they were too violent with it, so they gave up. Rest of the door though is really good until you get down here. It's just high right here, or low. The seam might be low, I don't know. When the door gets back on, I'll find out. And that nice crease, which shouldn't be too terribly bad to deal with. Let's move on. Pillar turned out really nice. All the seals where the windows go are nice. That's about where all the good stuff ends. Doesn't look too bad. I did speak about this. I don't know if I'll add that in, but I'll speak about it now. I said I probably didn't know I was going to fix that. I do. A whole section is going to be cut out for the fender flare. The like old school fender flare. And when that happens, I can pop that out, no problem. We've got, let's see if I can catch this. It's going to be really hard. A lot of weeble wobbles all throughout here. It's just like cheesecake, I guess you could call it. Well, no, that's not the proper word. But yeah, you can tell where somebody's beat on it from the inside to knock it back out. That's common when somebody runs into something thinking they can drift. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. I can get up in there with a dolly and hammer it all back nice and smooth. It's actually pushed out from what it looks like compared to the other side, because you can kind of see where it's pushed out. That's pushed in. This is kind of boogery, not too bad, but all the mechanism is gone. And there's a filler neck on it. I can't even get it. The filler neck, it has a lock key cap on it that won't come off. I got more paint remover sitting there to kind of alleviate the issue. It's probably all falling off by now. As for this goes, there was no Bondo in here. This is something fresh that can be pulled out. That's not a problem. There you have it. I think we're making headway. Almost all the paint is off the car. There's very little paint left on the car, but I'm out of time for the last couple days that I've had to work on the car. Got a lot done. Got the door stripped, got the quarter panel stripped, the rest of the paint all on this side stripped. Yeah, I mean, like, and most of all the extras that was over there is all gone, or it will be gone this evening. I'll come out off camera and finish all that out. And if I need to discuss something, I'll put it in the next video, because I'm trying to be completely, like, show every little problem that I'm finding with this car. And the door is probably the only one that, like, I'm disappointed about. I totally did not see that. I knew there'd be some Bondo there, but judging by the Bondo on the rest of the car, it wasn't that bad. But it turns out it was that bad. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to go yet on that. I guess I could pull the whole skin off and fix it, because it is fixable. I mean, it's metal. You just shape it. But that edge is probably going to have to be, that edge of the door will probably just have to, I'll probably cut it out and then stretch the metal back across, get it in position, and then weld it back. I don't know. Thank you all for watching. I hope you pseudo kind of enjoyed this educational episode of finding problems after problem after problem, which is common, I guess, at this stage of things. It's not all that bad, I guess. Okay, it is. It is that bad. Just the door, though. Disappointing. But it's one problem, and it's a problem we can fix. Somehow. Worst comes to worst, again, we throw the door away. Other than that, again, thank you for watching.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.